Step 1. First, go to the bottom of your screen and click on the Start menu button. Step 2. Now, in the search bar, type Microsoft Store and click on it when it appears. Step 3. Once the Microsoft Store opens, look at the left-hand side and click on Apps. Here, you'll see a variety of applications available to download. Most of these apps are free, but some may be paid. Step 4. If you're looking for a specific app, like TikTok, go to the search bar at the top. Type TikTok and press Search. Step 5. Click on the app from the results and then hit the Get button. Wait a few seconds while it downloads and installs on your laptop. Step 6. Once the download is complete, you can click Open directly from the store. Or you can go back to the Start menu, search for the app, like TikTok, and open it from there. And that's it. That's how you can easily download apps on your Lenovo laptop.